I'm Tim Barger, and I teach Intro to Autos, or the auto program, and also welding. They learn how to problem solve. They also learn how to do alignments, rotates, oil changes, pretty much light maintenance. They also learn how to weld on cars. Pretty much anything in the industry is what I'm teaching them, other than like overhauling engines and overhauling transmissions. We run this like a shop, so people bring their car in, we work on it. We have alignment rack, we got balancers, we got the machine rotors. Yeah, we got pretty much everything we need. The best thing is on-job training, so the more you get your hands dirty, the better off you learn. I'm hoping they go to like a trade school. If not, they can go directly right out to the industry and be competent on working on cars. The nicest thing is when you see in their face that they can actually get it and fix something, that's the best thing you could feel.